You can make money each and every day with crypto, and it doesn't have to be another 9 to 5 job. It doesn't have to be you're sitting on a bunch of screens looking at the charts, trying to trade, which is really just guessing, because TA, technical analysis, it's just star signs for men. It's just astrology for men. Let's be real. But you can make money each and every day, and you don't have to be a trader. There's all these guys I know using leverage. They're just guessing. They blow their accounts, or they're trying to qualify for funded accounts, right? They're using other people's money. Why are they using other people's money? It's because they don't have any money, because they are not a successful trader, because they haven't figured out how to make money and keep it and use it and grow it. They haven't learned to be responsible with their money. Are there some successful traders? Yes, but most people are not. Most people end up losing money. Now here's what I do and what you can do too. I take my crypto and I get involved in DeFi. DeFi is decentralized finance, right? So I'm taking my crypto, my assets, I'm putting them to work for me so I don't have to. I'm on my way to Chipotle because I'm freaking hungry and my crypto is working for me. My crypto is making me money as we speak. And I'll start to pull this up too. I'm just driving. And so here's what I mean. I'm making like $200 a day in actual passive income off my crypto. I'm not having to trade. I'm making $199 a day, it says. $182 a day, not doing shit. I'm taking my assets and I'm putting them to work. And I'm making like 10 to 20% a month, it's saying right now, like 20% a month, making $180 a day. Guys, that is $8 an hour. I make $8 an hour each and every day while I'm asleep, all hours of the day, 365 days a year. I'm putting my crypto to work, and you need to do it too. If you're in crypto and you've been losing money, it's one, probably because you're taking on unnecessary risk and you're buying these random meme coins and assets that you don't believe in, you know nothing about. You know nothing of the quality, you don't know if there's a long-term vision. None of those coins have a reason to be here tomorrow. Me, I'm taking assets I believe in long-term, this is what you should do too, and learn how to monetize them. So you're now exposed to your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Sui, Solana, maybe your smaller caps, your Render, Aerodrome. I don't know what you like. Maybe it's Pengu. Maybe you really love Pengu and you want exposure. Well, the good news is that you can monetize those assets. You can get involved in DeFi and provide them as collateral and then take out loans and use those somewhere else, arbitrage interest rates. You can take your capital and you can move that into liquidity pools where you're actually providing your assets as a service. And so people are buying and swapping. You are making the fees that the exchange makes. I get paid every day by people. I'm not getting paid off some random Ponzi scheme. I'm providing my assets that these degen motherfuckers and investors alike all want to buy. And so when they're buying, instead of paying $5 to Coinbase, they're saving money. They're paying $1. They're paying 50 cents, 30 cents. But when millions of people do that per day, off millions to billions of dollars of volume, I print fucking money. And then someone like me, who I'm not the richest motherfucker in the world, guys, but someone like me, I'm making almost $200 a day. And this fluctuates. Yesterday it was at $250 a day from, hasn't even been a full 24 hours yet. I've made $274, but I'm on pace to make $182 a day. And it fluctuates a little bit, sometimes a little less, sometimes a little more. But it's just a consistent income. And then you take that $180 a day and you can use it to cash flow your lifestyle. Like this Chipotle I'm about to get on the house, right? I'm gonna get 2 bowls. What is it, 20 bucks? Oh, now I'm still in profit, $160 a day doing absolutely nothing. And so what do you do with that 160 bucks? Well, multiple options. You could invest it, reinvest it in more long-term buy and hold assets, whatever that may be. You can use it to get into traditional assets like the stock market if you're a pussy. I'm not. I'm going all back in crypto. You can stack stablecoins on the side. And while you're stacking stablecoins, waiting for a dip, another market opportunity, you could be lending those stablecoins out and be earning 10% a year right now. I'm earning 10% a year in multiple spots right now. And that's really not hard to achieve. It just takes a little knowledge, a little time just looking around and figuring out how to keep your money moving. Always keep the money moving. Earn yield on yield. I'm earning about 20% a month, it's saying right now, $180 a day, and I want to keep that money moving and keep earning yield on yield. You could take that free $180 a day, and maybe you want to maybe you really love meme coins. You want to make a little DJ play. Well, now you're making degen plays for free. It's capital you've earned for free. It's a business. You're taking your profits, you reinvest your profits, you keep the money moving. Honestly, that's my statement for the day, is just keep the money moving. And you can't lose. And if prices go sideways for the next 2 months, consolidating for the next move up, or maybe the next move down, maybe Trump will say tariffs again on the news, we'll lose a bunch of money. It doesn't matter, as I make money. I'm on pace for 20% a month. 20% a month right now. If I make 5 to 10% a month, I'd be happy. But I'm making $200 a day if we go sideways. If I'm reinvesting that $200 a day and we pump up, say I get a 2x whenever I invested in, I was really making $400 a day. Making 40% a month. Guys, this can explode your net worth. If you're someone that doesn't have a lot of money to invest in crypto, this unlocks more daily income for you. And it truly is a passive income. I can spend 20 minutes a week on this, and I'm just printing cash. It's not something that is going to take up all your time. At first, it might when you're learning and studying and really excited, but really a lot of that time, you're just kind of like mentally masturbating about like, oh, this is so awesome. It doesn't take that much time or effort. A lot of my stuff is hands off. I really don't touch it, but I mean, I don't even need to touch it once a week if I don't want to. When there's big price moves, sometimes I have to readjust some ranges, but most of my stuff is pretty wide. It's pretty low maintenance, guys. It's honestly, it's about as close to passive income as you can get. I've been hearing people like Alex Hormozy say, oh, there's no such thing as passive income. And the only reason this isn't passive income is because I've had to work so hard to get the capital at the beginning. This is stored time and energy is what this capital is, of previous work I've done. But now it's just fruitful and it's just printing more cash for me, guys. If you want to learn how I do it, how I have like 27 grand in there right now, that's earning 200 bucks a day on assets as safe as just Ethereum, where I'm just cash flowing. Click that link in my description. I have a private community. There's, I think, like 97 members. So I would just say 100 members. There's 100 members inside where I'm teaching how to do these strategies, how to cash flow more money each and every day off the assets you already own, already love, are already holding. So there's no extra risk. It's just fucking cash flow, guys. If you guys want to make cash flow, you want to print some freaking money off your crypto portfolio, again, click that link in my description, book a call with me. And if not, YouTube says watch this video, and I'll see you there.